To my channel Bhai Sai. Today I have to cover in this lecture discoveries in physics. So here are some physicists and their major contributions. So first physicist is Archimedes, and his contribution to physics is he gives principle of buoyancy, principle of lever. Next is Galileo Galilei, he gives law of inertia. Next is Christian Huygens, he gives wave theory of light. Next is Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton gives universal law of gravitation, laws of motions, means Newton's laws of motions, and again reflecting telescope. Next one is Michael Faraday. Okay, and Michael Faraday gives laws of electromagnetic induction theory. Next one is James Clerk Maxwell. James Clerk Maxwell gives electromagnetic theory. Again, he discovered light is an electromagnetic wave. Next is Henry Rudolf Hertz. He gives he discovered the generation of electromagnetic waves. Next one is J.C. Bose, and J.C. Bose discovers the ultra short radio waves. Next one is J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson discovered the electron. Next one is W.K. Rontgen. This name is important in the history of physics because W.K. Rontgen is the first person who got first Nobel Prize in the physics, and this Nobel Prize he got for the discovery of X-rays. So W.K. Rontgen discovered the X-rays. Next is Marie Sklodowska-Curie. This person is, or this woman is very important, or we can say this person, Marie Curie, is the first person who got 2 times Nobel Prize in science. She discovery of radium and polonium is given by Marie Curie. She studies on natural radioactivity. She is the first woman who got Nobel Prize in physics. Also, she is the first person who got 2 times Nobel Prize in science. First time in physics, second time in chemistry. Next person is Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein explained the photoelectric effect. Also, he gave theory of relativity. Next is Victor Francis Hess. He gives cosmic radiation theory. Next one is R.A. Millikan. He measured the electronic charge. R.A. Millikan measured the electronic charge. Next one is Ernest Rutherford. Ernest Rutherford gives nuclear model of atom. Next is Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr gives quantum model of hydrogen atom. Quantum model of hydrogen atom. Next person is Sir C.V. Raman. He is a Indian physicist. Also, the Science Day in India is celebrated because of this person. Okay, so Sir C.V. Raman gives inelastic scattering of light by molecules. Inelastic scattering of light by molecules. Next is Louis Victor de Broglie. Louis Victor de Broglie gives wave nature of matter. Next is M.N. Saha. He is also Indian physicist. M.N. Saha gives thermal ionization. Next one is S.N. Bose. He gives quantum statistics theory. Next is Wolfgang Pauli. Pauli. He gives Pauli exclusion principle, the best known principle, that is Pauli exclusion principle. Next is Enrico Fermi. Enrico Fermi gives controlled nuclear fission theory. Controlled nuclear fission theory. Next is Werner Heisenberg. Werner Heisenberg gave uncertainty principle. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Next is Edwin Hubble, and Edwin Hubble gives expanding universe theory. Next is Paul Dirac. Paul Dirac gives relativistic theory of electron and also his contribution in quantum statistics. Next one is Ernest Orlando Lawrence. Ernest Orlando Lawrence gives or discover the cyclotron theory. Cyclotron theory. Next is James Chadwick. James Chadwick discovered the neutron. Next is Hideki Yukawa. Yukawa gives theory of nuclear forces. Next is Homi Jahangir Bhabha. He is also the Indian scientist. Okay, and he gives the cascade process of cosmic radiation. Cascade process of cosmic radiation. Next one is Lev Davidovich Landau. He gives theory of condensed matter and liquid helium. Next is S. Chandrasekhar. S. Chandrasekhar is a Indian physicist. He gives Chandrasekhar limit, also structure and evolution of stars. Next is John Bardeen. He gives transistor, or he discovered transistors. He gives theory of superconductivity. John Bardeen gives theory of superconductivity. Next is C.H. Towns. He discovered maser laser. Next is Abdus Salam. He gives unification of weak and electromagnetic interaction. So in this lecture, this is enough for this lecture. So thank you. Thanks.